Welcome to Tower Safety's Gearbox Topics, and today we're going to discuss the Petzl Jag, a 4-to-1 system that allows us to lift the patient up out of their fall arrest and their fall restraint. We first need to connect our Jag to a 5,000-pound anchorage point. Next, we need to connect our rope. With our figure 8 on a bite, we're going to connect it to his umbilical. If you have a double figure 8, one's going to go to his umbilical, one's going to go to his sternal. Right. Next, now we need to connect the rope to the Jag, and we do that with the ID. Our ID is I to the load, I to the anchor. We have to properly load this. Load our ID, close it, attach it to our Jag. This is the slack between our ID and our figure 8 with a bite. We need as little slack as possible. We pull it tight, it's tight. Now we're going to lock this handle. Very important, lock your handle before we lift this patient up. All right, next we need to load the ASAP lock. This ASAP lock comes in those two positions, lock and unlock. We're going to attach it to his sternal. Now I could attach it to his dorsal, but it's a little difficult to reach when his sternal is sitting right here. So we attach. All right, let's count how many connections we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to have them only on 2 points connection. Handle's locked. We are ready to lift. So we lift up our patient. He is up out of his system. Let's take off the positioner. Positioner is removed. We'll attach it on his harness. We need to remove his lanyard. Back lanyard is removed. All right. For an extra point of friction, before I lower him, I'm going to add carabiner. Extra point of friction. Okay? Now we are ready to lower our patient. Coming down.